I'm not gonna lie, when I see dark beers, I get nervous, I get scared. This is a great beer.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so we're here with Jacklyn. Jacklyn, I wanna know, tell me about these beers in front of me.
Well, right now you have a flight, which we serve in 4-ounce cups.
Okay.
We have the West Coast IPA in this one. We have our blonde in this one. We have an Irish red, and we have a porter on this side. Typically, when you're doing flights, you want to start lightest and go darker.
And this one was called, what was it again?
So it's called the New Braunfels Blonde.
It's very smooth.
Yeah, so that's one that's pretty easy drinking. You can have a couple of them when it starts to get hot outside. It's nice and refreshing.
And so next one, we go down darker, right?
Yep, so we have two IPAs here. This one is the West Coast. So West Coast IPA tends to be more citrusy than the other, and I typically don't care for IPAs, but that one is so smooth that's one
It is very smooth.
I really enjoy that one.
And when I think of IPAs, I think of dark beer only.
Right, yeah,
you
or
know?
just really hoppy beer, and this one, David does such a great job of really smoothing it out. So this next one is my personal favorite.
This one right here.
Yep, it's called O'Brien's Red Ale. So it looks, because it's darker, like it might be a little stronger. It's not, it's very smooth.
It is very smooth.
Yeah, it has like a kind of wildflower aroma to it, and just, again, easy drinking.
I'm not gonna lie, when I see dark beers, I get nervous, I get scared. This is a great beer.
Yeah, that's typical, and especially I think for me too, for other women, you tend to stay away from dark beers because you think it's not gonna taste as good as the lighter ones, and these are just proving everybody wrong.
That is definitely proving me wrong, yes.
Yep.
And this last one, this is the darkest one right here.
Yep, so that is the Wick Lane Porter. And so we named it, actually we lived on a street in England and the name of the street was Wick Lane. And so it's an English beer, and that one's just a good kind of when it's a little bit cooler outside and you want something just like the tiniest bit heavy but with some good aroma to it. That's a good one to have. Even as it's sitting out here, you'll notice that it'll start, like each sip will taste a little bit different than the first one.
So you guys are new here, right?
Yes.
What can we expect when we come out here?
So we have, right as you come in, you'll be greeted by very friendly staff that will kind of let you choose where you'd like to sit, whether it's inside or the new beer garden that we just put in. And we've fully redecorated everything. We now have non-sour beers, as that's what you're tasting here. We used to be an all-sour facility.
So these are just 4 of the beers you make, but you guys make a lot more, right?
Yeah, so we have, I think we're on our 9th or 10th non-sour. And then we purchased all the previous sour recipes from the previous owner, Kelly, who's been great and awesome to us and helpful in every way. And so we have all of his old recipes and then about 9 or 10 of our own.
Nice.
Yeah.
And you guys also offer some wine, I saw, some ciders, even some non-alcoholic beverages.
Yep, we have like ranch water, we have your cider beers, and we even have Capri Suns if you bring your kids and they're thirsty too.
Very nice.
We have Mexican Coke, water, and something for everybody.
So you offer something for everybody, definitely. Yeah, I think this is my favorite too. I love this. Each beer that I've tasted is different from another. Like there's definitely an art to these beers.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. We got lucky with our brewer. We feel really fortunate we found him.
Thank you, Jacklyn, for talking to us again and showing us these amazing handcrafted beers. Guys, come out to New Braunfels and come check them out. And when you do, you make sure to let them know that Eat, Drink, Local Texas sent y'all.